I didn't even know what Kundalini was until late last night.
Hmm.
And I kind of found you guys and hopped on because I had nobody to turn to, nobody to answer any sort of questions. I had been going through a lot, like spiritually, trying to heal a lot of traumas and stuff from childhood. And it's been about a week. I had some very strange things happen that day. And I went from, that day, I mean, my anxiety on a scale of 1 to 10 was like at an 18. I woke up the next morning and I have zero anxiety. My mind is more clear than it's ever been my whole entire life, and I just have this new and I don't know where to turn from here. Like, I have nobody to talk to. I'm so happy I found you guys, but like, any suggestions of where to go from here would be amazing.
Mm. Yeah, Tamara, thank you so much for being here. Welcome, welcome. Um, it hasn't even been 24 hours since you found this word Kundalini, and here you are. So whatever you're
Here
doing,
I my yes. I mean, everything is flowing like it never has in my life. I mean, just blessings, abundance. I mean, I last year was homeless, sleeping at a homeless shelter on the floor. Like, I am just blown away right now at the force and just everything that's coming at me head on. It's just amazing things.
yeah, wow, wow, incredible, incredible. So what comes to me to share is to continue to trust yourself. Whatever's brought you to this point, your attitudes, your approaches, you're nailing it. Don't have to change anything per se. There's always further
Okay.
refinement and further optimization, of course, but great. Remembering here that we don't need to understand every last detail about this process, only if you feel called. If you have big questions, sure, we can explore it. There's lots of material online that you can explore, but don't feel that now this is something you gotta understand every last detail about. I like to think about it as puberty 2.0. We went through puberty the
Okay.
first time. We don't know anything about hormones. We're just kids. You ate the right foods, you slept more, and everything went well, and you grew up and don't have a clue what happened. It can be that way with this process too. We're here to talk, and we'll get into talking about energy and channels and nadis and different practices and stuff. But if any of that feels overwhelming or confusing or unnecessary, just let it go. Just let it go. Because clearly, the way that you're moving is in the flow. Things are going well for you. So just allow it to continue to unfold. Remembering also not to become too attached to any particular experience. Sometimes there's great, amazing, beautiful experiences. There's peace, there's bliss, there's abundance flowing, there's synchronicity. And then other times it seems like that may disappear, but that doesn't mean that anything has gone wrong. It just helps us to acclimate to a lot of really significant shifts in our lives. The universe, the God, the flow will give us a chance to breathe, to take in how far we've come before it brings us more. Sometimes our system as well just needs a chance to catch up to like all of this that's happening. It's a lot for our little human vessels to take in. So we need a bit of a break sometimes. So if things calm down in terms of all the magic and the beauty, not a problem at all. It comes and goes, it comes and goes. The idea is just to flow with it without attachment. Um, practicing gratitude for all the blessings you have, trusting that whatever is the next step for you, it will come to you. And sometimes the next step is just to breathe, self-care, resting, eating well, being very gentle with yourself, and allowing this journey to unfold on its own. Everyone has a unique journey, different themes. There's some, of course, universal themes, but everyone's journey is unique. So I'll leave it at that. You're doing great, it sounds like. So just keep doing
Thank
what you
you.
do.
I'm so glad I found everybody. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, you're welcome. And of course, this is a space where you're also welcome to share and explore some more with us. Thank you for being here.